All right. That's ugly. Ugh, getting a lot of lag. Like a lot of lag. It's because of... Is there a way for me to just have the chat? Pop-out chat. Yeah, because I think it's YouTube is lagging out. Okay. Oh, that's so much better. Fireballs are still off though. I don't know. I'll deal with this. Okay. Label. That looks really bad. How does that look in game? It'll look better when it's zoomed in. Yeah, that's not terrible, but it's hard to see. Hold up. Is anyone on chat? Okay, hi. Okay. I want this for like to be the background for this. I don't know how this is gonna look at all. It's gonna be a lot bigger than that. Yeah. Something like ugh, I don't know about this. That, and then it's gotta be 8. Let's see how this looks. Pretty bad. I don't really know what I'm going for right now. That sucks. All of this sucks. I don't know how about I just put an outline. Hello. How are you? Something like this, regular size. Or can I do shadows? I'd rather have a shadow. What is this? So let's not do this. If I could have like a... Wait, what is this? How do I do this? I could just do that, duplicate it, but it looks like there's shadow settings here. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there we go. That's it. Will I remember to refresh this time? I already made sure. I was a little spooked that because no one was talking for the first 5 to 10 minutes. I don't even know how long this has been. I have no concept of time. So there's the player 1 score. Alright, that looks fine. That looks okay. Cool. Alright, yeah, and then I'll just have another one for player 2 right under it. And something like that. Wait, maybe a little more space. Request for a tutorial? What? If it's anything with online multiplayer, then I don't know right now. Okay. So, speaking of Discord, doesn't seem to be up. Uh-oh. What does this do again? Oh, never mind. Okay, player 1 score equals 0. Player 2 score equals 0. Why is it not auto-correcting? What did I forget? Am I doing something wrong? Yeah, it usually just auto shows it. I really want to see a process of animating leg sprites separately from torso. That would just be, in what kind of game? Would this be like a platformer or like top down or something? Either way, it would be... I would have an animation player for one sprite, which would just be the legs, and then the another animation player for the other one, and then they would both... Oh, wait. Yeah, for a platformer. So are you talking like... I think I know what you mean. Like there's legs here, and then the rest of the body is maybe like looking at the cursor or something. Otherwise, I don't know why you would what reason you would need to animate them separately. Like Contra or any shooting platformer where you could run and shoot. Yeah, I mean, if it's actually just like Contra, then a sprite sheet would still be fine. But if it was something where, yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Yeah, I could probably do something like that. Is this the beta? The beta for what? Score 1 equals. What do I want to call these? Yeah, whatever. Label score 2. Player 2. Let's get a fresh process function in here, delta. So label score 1 text equals string player 1 and then player 1 score. Sorry, is this the Godot beta for 3.1? Yeah, this is Godot 3.1 beta 2. Okay. Okay, that's working. Now I just need it to do stuff. So if how am I gonna, I guess, okay, I could just do name. No, I need to be specific. Okay. Export, yes, 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 yes. I'm not sure if I should. No, yeah, I should keep scores. Because I'm wondering if I should do, I think I'm gonna start with timed matches instead of, like, stock matches. Because otherwise I could just have them start at a different number and then decrease. But I'd rather have score right now. Alright, so there's a little bit of game here now. They need to respawn elsewhere for it to be fun. But it's something. If you're wondering why the... Do I even have audio on, actually? No, I don't. Here. How do I... Properties... Video... I don't know how loud this is gonna be. Shouldn't be that loud. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. The audio might be coming in twice, but that's just because I have two windows open. So yeah, there's some game here. Sweet, so now I need to make them respawn elsewhere. What I think I want to do is have several respawn points. For now it'll pick randomly, but eventually I want it to respawn the player furthest from where he died. Or maybe furthest from where the other player is. So I think I could do... Let's start with 2 of these. I actually have never used this node, so I don't really know what the point of it over anything else is. In fact, let me actually look. Oh, it's just across. Okay, then I'd rather not have that. I would rather get a unique sprite. That's a good sprite I could use. Does your Mario have a stop animation? I mean, he has idle. Do you mean like a turnaround animation? He has one of those. I don't know what you mean by just stop. He sort of just slows down and then stands. And then if you turn around quick, he does that. Ooh. How'd you pull up the help documentation for the scripting? There's a search help right here. And then you could type in anything. So that's useful. This also works without internet, so that's been very helpful. Alright, I want to make it a tile map. Called spawns. And then let's give it a... What do I already have that I can use? Here, let me just find a 1-up sprite. Never mind. I'll draw something. Let's put this engine. Wait. Or I'll just use that. Oh, that's already in the tile set. Alright, I'll just, yeah. Yep. I'll just tile set. Blam. Oh my god. I know I could set the snap, but I don't want to. But I should. Okay. That spawn. By 16. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a script here. No, we're not gonna make a script there. In here, we're gonna create a new variable called spawns. It's gonna be an array. And then we're going to pool For cell in spawns get used cells, we're gonna do map to world. Wait, is it map to world? I think yes. Cell dot append. Wait. Okay, so that's gonna give us all of the spawn locations, right? I think. And then pick random spawn is going to choice equals random integer with the size of spawns dot size, return spawns dot spawns. I don't know which one it should be. I don't know all the array things. Oh, it would just be that? I think that's it. Okay. And then in here get parent dot what did I just call it? Pick random spawn. I think this is it. Okay. Please work. Yes! Yes! Oh my god. First try. First try. That feels good. Alright, so I don't want them in the sky. That looks bad. And I want spawns to be hidden. But not here. Spawns.hide. Okay, so yeah, it feels especially good when it takes a hot second to export the game. Alright, so there's all our spawns. And then we could just do that again. Alright, there we go. There's an actual game here. It's not very fun, but it's working. Sweet. I actually thought that, like, I mean, the solution was simple, but I really did think that it would take me an hour to try to figure this out, and that a majority of what we got done on stream would be this. Now I just feel dumb that it was really easy. You'll beat me in my own game? If you want to play, DM me on Discord and I'll send you the stuff. The main things, the main thing. Okay, first of all, yeah, if you want to play me, then just DM me. I'll send you, and DM me on Discord. I'll send you whatever you need me to export, whatever platform you're on. But okay, so it did not work perfectly. I did need to do offset here. 2, 3, 4. Ignore offset true. And then that's it. Oh, well, if you don't have Discord, then I can't just put the link right here. ZS, if you want this build, I could send it to you. Also, that didn't work. Whatever I just did, it did not work because they're still on the side. Whatever, I don't care. Oh, this is cool though. So, okay, I need to add in the power-ups. Alright, that's cool. I need to add in the power-ups. How about... No. I could make one of them have hammers and one of them have fireballs, but I don't want to go through the extra work if I could just do it. But I gotta think of how I want to do fireballs right now. I had like a whole master plan on what I wanted to do yesterday. But I think I just want to add regular Mario power-ups right now, where you pick it up and then you have it until you die. I'm not gonna make the power-ups give you extra health. Like there's no big Mario here. App-get, if you want to get I'll send you the Linux build. Ooh. Just DM me on Discord. I'll make it right now. Where am I going? Uploads, Mario, that. Okay, now let me just pull the same link that I sent ZS yesterday, because it's still the same folder. And wherever my IP was, where's that? Okay. Yeah, so get that. Should be good. Let me export one for me. What am I doing? I need to reorganize this. Oh. Okay. Try again. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I hope I sent him the right folder, because I sent the wrong folder yesterday. Oh. I think that's the right folder. Alright, app-get. I got you. Here, the stuff on the Discord. Let me know when you get it. Two broken hearts mend each other faster than Alright, should be getting in here soon. Alright, here we go. Z is jump, X is fireball. Sweet. So that's working. Is it lagging at all? Is it, I mean, I'm the host, so I don't feel anything, and I didn't implement ping or any of that yet. Seems fine. That's good. Sweet. Oh, he has the high ground. There should be icons when the player far off screen. Yeah, there should. There, actually, I could... There, ooh, I stomped on you. Okay. The sprite sheet I was using actually has, like, cute little stock icons that I could use. Stock as in, like, just heads. So, it's feeling like sometimes we're hitting each other and it's not dying, which is You should make projectiles collide. Yeah, I should. I feel like spacebar would work better for jump. Maybe. I mean, eventually I'll have settable controls. Yeah, projectiles should definitely cancel each other out. I don't know why I didn't have that to begin with, actually. Yeah, they definitely should. Even if they're your own. Okay, first to 50. 10 more. Oh. Shit. Alright, that was first to 60. Please. Oh, this is it. Ah, damn it. Oh, get off of that. See, I stepped on him. Y'all saw that. There is a little bit of jittery lag from him and not from me right now. So connection isn't perfect, but it still looks like it's running fine. Okay, comeback time. Just kidding. Alright. That's it. I'm done. Cool. Let's make them cancel. It should just be one little thing. Projectiles, fireball. Layer. Okay. Oh, no. Should probably do this in the actual thing. Alright. See, this would be something that I need someone else to test with, but I don't want to send builds every 3 seconds. So I'll just stand over here, and you'll just stand over there. Alright, that looked like it worked. that looks kind of funny because they both. I like that. I like that effect. Oh, who's texting me? Okay. Oh, 4-3. That's wrong. Hold up. I just need a R set? Maybe? Player to score. Hope this works. Please just don't be catastrophic. Cool, nothing at all. How about from you? Nothing. Alright, I don't know. I don't know. I'll figure that out later. I mean, scoring is important, but it doesn't matter right now. What did I have to do though? Respawning kind of sucks right now. I want like a... I don't know. I do want that to hide when it's single player. So... Actually, both of them could hide. Make 1 second invincibility after death. Yes, that's smart. That's important. Yes. Okay. I'll have a... Make them flicker. Yeah, I will. Invincibility will be 0. Equals 0. Okay, so that's the invincibility without any flicker. Okay, that works. Now I just need the indicator. I'm gonna do it really dumb for right now. No, I'll do it. No. How do I want to do this? So I can make another animation player. Yeah, I'll do this. I was gonna make it so if flicker is on an odd decimal, hide it, and if it's on an even decimal, then show, but that's dumb. Wait, let's do that, repeat, and set the speed to faster. And then if invincibility is less than 1, why use second animation player? Because I don't want these animations to conflict with all of these animations. Because he could flicker whether he's crouching, falling, idle, jump, running, or skidding. So I just use a second animation player because it's separate from all of that. Oh wait, I need to do this on multiplayer. Oh, I like that. I like how it starts off. Oh, he's invisible. Really? The animation player can only play one animation at a time? Yeah. If you want more animations, just do more animation players. So let's do this should do it. Really, the animation player can only... So the solution to my request, separate legs and torso, is 2 animation players? Yeah, you'd have 2 animation players and 2 sets of sprites as well. Oh, that works. They're visible. They're flicking a little too fast, though. I mean, it looks fine, but I'd rather it be like half that, maybe? Yeah, I guess it's so fast that it doesn't even matter. Alright, none of that is updating. I gotta figure that out. Will it update if it's from you? Yeah, now it's only updating for the other person. That was not the case earlier. Weird. What did I do? I don't know what I'm doing. Someone was here yesterday who knew how the networking worked and was very helpful. Unfortunately, I do not know how the networking works. Yeah, so that's still... Oh, see, now it's updating for the other person. Was that what was happening earlier? I can't remember. Why is it only updating for the other person now? Excuse me? So why was it working fine over Wi-Fi, presumably? Or over the internet? That's annoying. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. How does RSET work? Remotely changes the property's value on other peers and locally. So it feels like this should work, but I think this is what I just had earlier. Okay, so just before this, it was only updating on the other person's. So the RSET was working, but it wasn't setting on the client, or on the damager. So now, oh, now it's nothing, as it was before. Why? How about I do that first? Please. Nope. I a joke to you. Now watch, if this guy does it, then it'll update player 1 or player 2 for him. Bam. It's not. Oh wait, no. I was dumb. It's RSET is not working at all. Player 1. Wait, no, it is. Wait, no, it's not. Is it? No, yeah, this is expected. Ooh, okay. So check this out. Wait, but he's always network master. Okay. Oh, no. Don't know what I was about to do. Lost it. Oh, this sucks. Here, how about we do... No, I don't know. What broke? I don't care right now at this second. We don't need these. Right now I'm just testing the respawning. I don't need the scores. Single player. And it seems to me that the respawning is working just fine. Wait, hold up. Okay. Hello. Yeah, this looks fine to me. The spawning looks a lot better on whoever's died screen. Also, stomping sometimes is not working for some reason. It looks better on whoever's died screen because whoever killed them, it has to be sent from that screen to this one. So, yeah, okay. This is cool. Respawning still needs work. But I'm glad it's completely functional, unlike the score counters, which are not functional. There is some stuff going on with hit detection though. I don't have a good answer for why. To be completely honest, I have no idea why any of this is working. So bugs here and there. Honestly, I expected more. But you see how I'm stomping twice sometimes? 3 times that time. Fireballs tend to be working better. That time it didn't. You just need a better stage than that. Yeah, this area sucks. Okay, I'll get out of this and actually do something. So, I mean, first things first, I'm gonna get rid of this. I hate it. Something like this instead. No, I don't want hidey holes. I don't need a pipe. And I gotta fix all the spawns. So I know at some point this is gonna respawn me directly on top of another player. So I don't need spawn position anymore. Oh, I thought I made this auto hide. Didn't I? Yeah, spawns hide. That's weird. So here's the thing, because I got fireballs, right? If you're up here, fireballs are pretty good. Also, I don't know why it's lagging so much all of a sudden, but yeah, if you're up here, the fireballs are pretty good. You got a pretty decent advantage. If they're standing right below you, they can't hit you, or you can't hit them, but they can't hit you either. Unless instead of a fireball, you had a hammer. Because if you had hammers, then the opposite is true. If you had a hammer, then you could hit them from right under. Now, if they had a fireball and I had a hammer to hit them, you still kind of have to be in range of fireball right here. But whatever. Risk and reward. High ground's still better because they could throw fireballs on you, and if you're trying to get the sneak on them, they could just jump on you. But hammers are a counter. Look at that. There's already a meta developing on this. You can make 3 elevation layers, for instance, and check if the player is killed and he can't respawn in the same layer. Ooh, yeah, I could just have 3 of these spawn sections and make it pick a different one. Yeah, I know what you mean. Okay. Also, I think that, I want to add, like, platforms. One-way platforms. But I don't have sprites for them right now, and I don't really want to implement it. Yeah, in the same layer with another player. I know what you mean. I mean, once I have one-way platforms, verticality would be a lot easier to use. And I think with that, I'm just gonna pick the furthest spawn from the player. And I think that would just be iterating through every spawn, subtracting it, and then picking the one with the highest numbers and setting the next spawn of that. That'll make sure that the players are always as far away as possible. I'll figure out spawns later. The way it's working right now is fine. I need to get some water. I don't know if any of y'all are gonna get... Oh wait, I don't even have the window open. I need to get some water, and I am going to head right on over to my live stream and play an ad. So maybe y'all are gonna see an ad right now. Who knows? Make me those 3 cents, please. 1 second. Y'all are probably not even gonna see this anyway. So, but either way, I'm gonna press it right now. Wait, that didn't work. Now. Wait, it's still loading. Hold on. Hold up, hold up. Hold up. Now. There we go. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Oh, that's laggy. Yeah, I don't know why. Just having the having YouTube on is lagging the game. Wasn't happening yesterday. Might be because I switched to Firefox. Who knows? Okay. Alright, what's next? There is a game now. Which is something I can't save for most of my projects. There is an actual game loop here. There's no real win or loss conditions, but I don't want to work on that right now because I couldn't get the scoring to work anyway. So I guess what I want to do is make the power-ups something you could actually pick up. Yeah. How I think I want this to work is have a few question blocks around here that you could just jump under, and then the thing will come up, and then you can just pick it up like Mario, and then the question blocks will refill every once in a while. But I don't think I'm going to do the question blocks right now. I'm just going to make the actual power-ups that you could pick up, and then set it to here. Let's start with this. Current power-up equals fireball. Two broken hearts mend each other faster than we can run. Oops. So I got fireballs, and I don't know if the script update will work because it hasn't been working all day, but it was working yesterday, so I'm gonna try it anyway. Hammer, save, didn't work. Okay, reset. Have to go. Alright, see ya. Thanks for coming. I'll probably be streaming again in the next couple days, we'll see. Weekends are gonna be easiest for me. But yeah, thanks. Alright, hammers work now. So I just need to make a little thing that once you pick it up, it'll change that variable. And that should be good, right? So first let's find let's go to Spriter's resource. I want power-ups. Items. Okay. So there's the hammer. Thank you, Fleepa.net. Okay, I guess that's transparent. Pickups. Hammer. And then I want the fire flower from here. Thank you, Super Justin Bros. Here. Oh, it's animated, isn't it? I don't care. So the fire flower, which is gonna just be fireball in the code. Start with that. No, we'll call it fire flower. No. Oh. Oh, there we go. No, I already have one. We're just gonna make a general pickup script. Why won't it? No built-in. And then we'll do export. Okay. I don't like these names. But they work though. Okay, then we're just gonna duplicate this. Oh, this is gonna be fireball. Duplicate this. You are gonna have hammer, and you're gonna give hammer. Cool. Forgot to change your name. Oh, let's start with I don't know if I need to do that. Actually, that might crash it. I don't know. I forgot how they work. But I want to set the current power up to nothing. Okay, no crash. If I walk over here and pick you up, I get that. Pick you up, I get that. Okay. So that's working. So now I need them to disappear and do stuff. I need a sound effect. Hold up. What was I doing? Sound effects. Hold up. Wait. Hello, how are you? Where did it go? Where did that script I just made go? Pick up. Here it goes. Oh, that worked. Cool. I'm doing fine. Been working on this for the past couple days. Past day. It's been pretty cool. Power up. Alright, check this out. I have no power up. I'm pressing run right now. I'm running. I'm gonna go over here. Now I have fireballs. Go over here. Now I have hammers. Sweet. Okay, that works. Okay. I want them to be affected by gravity, which is making me think I should have made them kinematic bodies. Yeah, I should have, and I will. Change type. Kinematic body. So you're trying to make an online multiplayer Mario online platformer style game. I have a question. Are you trying to do all the items first and then some of the enemies? I'm doing all items right now because for now it's just gonna be like a PvP kind of thing where you use them against each other. I'm not gonna do not now. I'm not gonna do a an actual like long form Mario game that's multiplayer or anything like that. I still might add some of the enemies just because those would be a fun like stage hazard to have in there anyway, but not for a little bit. Reminds me of New Super Mario. Yeah, it's pretty much like that. My closer inspiration is another fan game called Super Mario War, which, funnily enough, apparently today, or maybe it was yesterday, they added, if you have a homebrew Switch, they just ported it to Switch, which I thought was interesting. That was a cool quinkadink when I just started working on this yesterday. I played this game a lot when I was like, I don't know, like 5 years ago. I don't know when it came out. I think it was like 2013 or no, it was much earlier than that. I think it was like 2006, but I only played it at like 2013. Fun little game. Yeah, 2006. So this is just gonna be my take on it. This is gonna be online multiplayer as opposed to local multiplayer, and it's just how I'm learning how to do online. Okay, hammer pickup, and I need this to be a kinematic body. What was my gravity? 500. Do I multiply that by delta? I think I do. So you're using Godot engine. Quick question, do you think that it is a good engine to start creating some little game projects because it doesn't seem as hard as maybe Unity or Unreal? So Unreal, it's definitely better than Unreal. I think Unreal is much more suited to larger projects. I personally think that it's better for smaller projects than Unity. If you're making a 2D game, then I think it's superior to Unity, because it has its own 2D engine instead of Unity's fake 2D on a 3D plane or other, I don't know. For 3D, Unity is still better, but I think Godot is just real quick and easy to learn and to make something with. Like, I mean, I've been using this engine for 3 years now, so I'm able to get this stuff fast, but learning how to do online multiplayer, it took me a day to figure out how to do it, and I already have something functional working. So I think, yeah, I like this engine. What was I doing? Gravity times delta. Okay. Alright, now they land on the floor. Oh, that's not right. Collision. Hello? Oh. Maybe it should be mask 3. Yeah, I'll do mask 3. Or no, mask 2. Yeah, small 2D projects thrives at those, and it's also a great engine for larger projects. I'm making a pretty, not like huge, but if you look on my channel, this game Terra Labyrinth, and Godot is supporting a larger project very nicely for me. Oh, the power-ups are working perfectly. Now I just need to make them come out of a box, which I feel is going to take a little bit to feel right, but happy with what I got right now. I also want, I'm not going to do it now, but I need the player's current power-up to get removed when they die, so I'll do that in a second. Hold up. Okay. So I got those in. Now I just need the other thing that I was just talking about. Any hints for new or custom power-ups? No, because I haven't thought of any. Maybe I'll be creative later, but right now I'm just in full make what I already know mode, you know? Item box. 1, 2, 3. Let's give it some animations. I like that. Okay. Let's make it like 4. Wait, that's not how it worked. How did it work in Mario? Was it just 1 frame, but then it did this? Yeah, I'm dumb. Get rid of these. It was 1 frame and then it darkened. I don't. Yeah, so it's just that. And we're just gonna start with that. And then this will just be hit. And then eventually I'll put the intermediary frames. Did it have, was it animated? I don't remember. Oh, it was. Man, alright. I thought those were just in the middle frames. Oof. It just wasn't that fast. Wait, hold on. Oh, it was you who joined. I was just checking my Discord messages. Maybe 2? Maybe 1 was right. Nah, that's too slow. 1.5? We'll do that. Okay. Now, area 2D. So this is just gonna be what checks for hits underneath. Also need this. Wait. Okay. So how did that work? Snap is off. Not off, but like. Let's try that again. It's off a little bit. See that? Alright, snap is bugging out. Cool. Just put it right there. Alright, so that's doing stuff. I'm gonna need it to bounce up eventually. So how this is gonna work is this is just gonna be a dummy sprite that will come out, and then as soon as it's at the top, it'll hide this sprite and then bring out the actual one. So we'll start it here and make it invisible. Actually, no, it'll be visible on this frame. And then on the last frame, it'll be invisible. And it'll also be, wait, up here. I also need it to be behind the block. Okay, that's what I want. Wait. So the default will just be a fire flower. And then we'll set items texture to load item dot, oh wait, instance dot get, we're gonna need a, here. Okay, this is it. Here. New item will equal load item dot instance, and then item texture will equal item dot get node sprite dot texture. Oh wait, here. Right at the end of here, we're gonna make it call this method create, oh wait, save, create item, and we'll do new item, get parent, add child, new item, global. Let's set the global position first. No, I think I have to do a second. I think this is it. Please don't crash. Oh. Yeah, it worked. It was not supposed to fall, but the gist worked. Sweet. I just need to make this also on that layer. Sweet. And then if I set it to hammer pickup. Okay, that did not work. Hold on. Item texture. Hold on. It has a sprite, right? It should just be pulling that texture. Is the debugger pulling anything? Does it have to be, do I have to add the child first? It's not saying anything's wrong here. Let's remove this texture. That's not right. Is it even getting that? Oh. It's not, it didn't print anything. What's going on? Oh, my bad. New item. Alright, this will do it. There we go. Perfect. I do need to make these collision shapes just a little bit bigger. 8x8. Should have been 8x8 in the first place. Okay, perfect. Now let's do let's give it a little bump sound effect for this. Oh, actually I do need that, but I don't need that here. I need that on the player. I want it to happen always. That's good. Cool. Now I need a new sound effect. Wait. That's nice. Oops. Okay. Hold on. Item not visible. Okay, I think this is it. Could go up a little bit more. The end is peaking up a little too quick. Could just, I mean, I could set it back to 2, but maybe 3 would be a nice middle ground. That works. Sweet! Alright, item boxes. Oh, that's not good. Yeah. Don't want infinite items. I will make it respawn every once in a while, but there we go. Perfect. Oh, that's weird. Mario's sliding up a bit weirdly. He's not sliding up other things the same way. What is the collision shape on this? It should be good. It's not a major problem. It's just odd. Okay. Now let's add a timer. 10 seconds. We're just gonna reconnect this. Okay. Let's not make it 10 seconds. Let's make it 2 seconds for right now. Oops. Excuse me. Oh. Can I call ready again? Just do that. Okay. I don't want it to keep creating items. I want it to... Here, hold on. Wait. This might work. No, not emit signal. What did I call it? Picked up. So once it starts, it's going to tell the timer to start the timer. This should be it. Okay, so it's still blank. When I pick it up, 2 seconds later, it should... There we go. Perfect. And if I press it again, it doesn't work. Ugh. Why? It's like kinda working right now. Oh, I know. One shot. I should do it. Because the timer keeps repeating over and over again once it starts, and then it's resetting every 2 seconds. Yeah, timer stop would have done it, but one shot's the same. Hey, you're back. Hi. Okay, item boxes work. So what I'm gonna do is put a couple item boxes around here. Let's make this area better actually. And I could delete these. Let's make a real battle area here. I want multiple levels of fight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Alright, here. So here's my tiny bit of balance I'm gonna do. Since fireballs are better when you're above them because they go down, I'm gonna make the fireballs spawn from down here. And since hammers are better when you're below them because they throw up, I'm gonna put the hammers up here. That should be a little fair. Is snap working? No. That's weird. Did I mess something up? I don't think so. That sucks. Should be on the Street Fighter 5 balance team. I can't do this. Here. That. And then eventually I'm going to make these able to be spawned on a tile map, but right now I don't think I need to. Bam. So your item box position's right? Yeah, they're right. I lined them up with the actual things. So they should be perfect here. Oh, I need to set spawns. Just do that. Actually, let's... Okay, there's all the spawns. Yeah, those mushrooms are just potential spawn places after you die. And then export. Oh, I have no idea how the power-ups are gonna sync up on multiplayer. They probably won't at all. Because I didn't do anything with them. Okay, yeah, so something's off. Didn't expect it to crash. Well, it's working single player. Hammers are still OP. You go up here and you throw hammers and they have little fireballs. Yeah, that's... Oh, I need to set the timers longer. 10 seconds. So what do I have to do here? Why did it crash? And maybe I should just do random spawns on the items. Or at least make it a setting. But look at this is looking like a game. Yesterday, I mean, I think it was pretty decent work for a day. Yeah, I think 10 seconds is a good time, especially considering you're going to be dying every 2 seconds. Alright, sweet. So we got a real map here. We got some power-ups, we got hammers, fireballs. We have a non-functioning multiplayer. Do you have a max number of projectiles on screen for each player? Yep. Hammers you could have 3 at a time, fireballs you could have 2 at a time. I might make hammers 2 at a time as well. Alright, maybe it was just a fluke. Maybe it was just that one time it crashed. Host. Join. Nope. So what's crashing? That is... why? Let's see if it's the item boxes. What's the max limit of amount of players? 4 players online, 6 players online. Right now it's hard-coded for 2 players maximum and minimum. There's a single player option, but yeah, it's if you're creating a server, there's only going to be one. Why is this not working? Alright. Is there a way I could... Here, I'm just gonna delete these. Took me so long to get them in place, and I just had to remember to undo if it's not this. Okay, so it's not that. Something else is broken. Man, I added a lot of stuff since I last tried multiplayer. That was real dumb of me. Oh, let me export it with debug. What am I doing? Thank you, Raphael. Host. Join. Oh, what? It worked. I guess I just had to redo the exe. Okay, that was dumb. So that worked. That's working. I should make the ba-dum only show up for one person. Oh, is it working perfectly? Oh, that's not. Screen exited. Oh, I know why. Just remove this entirely. But that's cool. Oh man, it's working. Mario, no. There we go. Okay, so that's a lot better than I thought. So now let's just make, when you respawn, the current power-up to be null. Excuse me. Damage. Current power-up equals null. So that should remove the power-up when you die. Now, bam, bam, bam. So that fireball error should be gone. And the power-ups should also be gone when you die. Alright. I'll look at that later. So he has a fireball. And if Mario has a hammer, so if I'm pressing this, he's got a fireball. If I press that, he's dead. And I am pressing run, he no longer has the fireball. And Mario still got the hammer. But if I throw a hammer at little Mario over here, he no longer has it. Sweet. Everything is working. Oh, I cannot say that often. Deaths still have to be a little cooler. Stomping's not working. That used to kill. Yeah, okay. Excuse me. Hello? Alright, well, just need to fix that. Oh, it was close. It was almost perfect. But look at that. Got a little game going on here. And I'm not going to change the power-up sounds. It only sounds so bad because I have 2 instances running right now. So yeah, it's going to play twice. I want them to be able to hear if someone else has a power-up. What I should do is I should convert them to be audio stream 2Ds so that you could hear them on your left or right on stereo, depending on where you are. That should be good. But yeah, sweet. I am getting like a lot more than I thought done when I start these streams. I'm always like, I'll just do like 2 or 3 things and maybe that'll be enough. But no, I'm getting 5, 6, 7, 8 things. I got the picking up power-ups, I got the respawns. That's 2 things. There was a lot to them. I can't think of what I did. Whatever. Alright, so I gotta fix the stomp. That's annoying me. So... yeah, I'll be streaming as much as I can. I usually don't stream often because I start a project and then I'm like, well, I don't want to just start streaming right now and then have to go through, oh, what is this? How does this work? And blah, blah, blah. But with this one, since I just started streaming it from basically the beginning of the project, don't matter. And I'll just stream it every time I'm working on it. Unless I'm doing like boring stuff. Okay, stomp. I want to say it's something with how they can collide. What if I don't make them have that? Well, first of all, is this gonna make me fall through the floor? Hold on. Okay. Didn't fall through the floor and everything's still working. Export, blump, blam, bam. Cool, cool, cool. I don't know when I'm supposed to export it with the exe and when I could just do the pack file. because it did crash. Okay. No. Why? What happened to my stomps? Oh, I moved it. Did I? Where's my player? No, I didn't move it. Huh? Why are things in... Oh. I don't know why that wasn't... Oh, I know why that wasn't. Anyway, let's put this on a third layer and mask. I don't know which one this has to be, but I'm just gonna do both. In fact, I'm gonna do both of these two. No, I'm not gonna do both of these. And just in case it's the fault of this, I'm gonna export it with the exe and no debug. Please don't crash. Oh, it will crash. It's going to crash. Didn't crash, but it didn't work either. Okay. I think the next stream might just be prettying up what I have so far. Why? Why are you gonna crash? Hold up. Let's just delete both of these and try it again. Is it because I'm not exploring with debug? Is that what fixed it? If it's that, I'm gonna be pretty mad. Just work. Okay. I mean, if I have to do it with debug, then fine. But that's not the greatest, you know? Yeah, it's that. I don't know why that is. What? Alright, what was I doing? Stomping. Still not working. Anyone have any theories why it's only working with debug enabled? I'm not gonna Google stuff right now. Let me just get my dummy player back in here. Okay, no stomp. What if I do just mask? Just mask, and you guys only have the layer. How about that? How do you like them apples? Come on, Luigi, give me that bounce. No, why? Here, let me see if the stomp is happening at all. Let me see that player script again. What do you need to see? Okay, the stomp isn't getting anything at all here. What if I do this again, please? Did I accidentally disable this? No. Your stomp area should be masked to player layer. Yeah, I set the player layer to 3 here. Actually, I should do it to 1 here again. Yeah, let me just put it back to what it was before. So 1 1 and 1 1. This should work. But it don't. Go up to your connecting the ready on the player. Okay. Stomp, connect, body entered, self stomp. Let me just do just to make sure. Oh no. Let's try this. Okay, so this isn't getting anything at all. So I don't know what the problem is. I'm gonna remove all of it. We'll create a new area. And we're just gonna use this. You do have is colliding to work with off. Huh? What do you mean? I don't think I changed anything with the kinematic body. In fact, I put everything back to what it was originally. But let me just see if this works real quick. Hi, Leah. Why isn't the area getting anything? Work. Please. Let's look at this. Wait. Huh? Excuse me? Is it not reaching? What's happening? That's colliding. Right? I was working so perfectly earlier. See, everything was working, and I tried it online with I'm sorry, I tried it online with apt-get earlier, and the stomping was working, the scoreboards were working, everything was just working. And now it don't. shouldn't be reacting anyway. Work. I'm gonna close it and open it again. Mario. But I don't see what could be. Yeah, I agree. It's something with the area, but I don't know how it could be because I just remade the area. You know? Check this out. Turn it off and back on, and now it's just gonna work. Perfect. Nothing. This is annoying. Why won't you work? Body entered. Let me try this in multiplayer again. It might just be something silly where maybe I fixed it in multiplayer and then it just inherently doesn't work with single player. Please, just do the hop. Okay, well, no, that's what it was doing earlier. That's wrong. Okay. Oh! No, it is working! It is working! It is working! Yes! See if you're having bodies? Yes, I am. Okay. No, yeah. And then I just gotta make it stomp. Stomp body. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, Mario. And another Mario. Host. Join. Alright, please do the hop. Please. Wait. Didn't I just remove the print? Did it not save? Yeah, it didn't export. Let's try exporting this. I'm not sure if it was just printing to the console or not the editor because I think the oh! Okay, it's whatever. I don't care. It's working. Ba-doom. Ba-doom. And can Luigi stomp on Mario? Yes, he can. Oh, music to my ears. I need a sound effect for the hammers hitting Mario. Like fireballs, we get the little boom. That's still a bug though? What's still a bug? It's working. I mean, something's broken, but something's always broken at one point or another. That's still a bug. The hit detection is not perfect. The print shouldn't be only in the console. Yeah, I think, yeah, that is a bug with, actually, let's see if it's printing to this console. I think it was. It was printing to this console. So that's not a bug with my game, I think. I think that's a bug with Godot. Oh, no. Oh, wait. It's because... Oh, shoot. 1 second. So, it's working, but I'm just gonna make sure. Print body. Output is usually not so blank. So it's printing the console and not the output. I wonder if this has anything to do with the fact that the game is not launching without the debugger when I export it, you know? Because it looks like they stopped working around the same time. Hold on. Sorry, I just got it. This was happening back in 2.1. Reinstall the export templates. I don't see why that would be it. It had something to do with the networking code back then. Yeah, it has to be networking because if let's try launching it without debug. Cause I think single player is gonna work. I think it's just when I join. You know? Because if I do single player... No, single player crashes. See, host isn't crashing. I'm pretty sure this was a known bug. You should be getting the prints in the output. Yeah, that's odd. And see, I set up source control with this earlier, and then I wasn't using it this entire stream. So, that was a dumb move on my part. I'll do it right now. This is not gonna load. Check task manager for an instance running in the background. Ooh, that might be good. Hold on, let me... Item pickups, item boxes. Did I already push fireballs? I think so. Alright, check task manager for an instance in the background. Let's just kill anything with Godot or Mario in the name. Huh? I haven't touched that in months. Okay, okay, it's not that. Um. Hmm. Why are you crashing now? Hold on, there were things I changed in this. I didn't touch the lobby at all. Hold up. Let me look at all the changes I made. So, anything with test.gd. Okay. Well, let me just remove everything with the score because I'm not touching that right now. Delete the UI. Gone. Don't need process. Done. Don't need that. That's everything. Let me test in single player, see if the output works. Nothing in output. This is working. Alright, see you, Thomas. Thanks for coming. Hope to see you again. I don't know. This is odd. Oh, I keep closing source tree and then I keep having to reopen it. Too broken. Two broken hearts. Bum bum ba da da dum dum ba da 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 dum dum da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum dum da 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 dum. So anything it is, it's gotta be here. Let me just make a big old copy of this whole project. Close the editor. Oh, copy worked anyway. Let's go back to here. How do I do this? Why? I don't think I actually need these. No, don't stop tracking. What am I doing? Just remove. No, sorry. I'm bad at this. Any changes to project.godot? Let's see. Tell you the truth, I have no idea how to work with source control. I'm a big dumb. But can I just remove these committed changes real quick? Discard. Yes, okay. And then go back here. I just wanna reverse. No, What do these do? How do I... Which one of these buttons... Yes, that is what I want. Okay, yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Output's back. Okay. But what broke it? Output's back. What happened? Oh, it's gone. Damn it. What happened? It was there. I saw it. So it's only there at launch, and then it's gone. Alright, it's in the same position. I'm not using alpha, am I? I'm using beta, aren't I? Oh, right now I'm using alpha. Ooh. Is this... Here. Beta 2. Mario. What if that was my problem? It's using the wrong version of Godot. Beta 2 official. But the output's still gonna disappear. Debug process started. Huh? No. +1. Okay, well now I'm getting stuff that it didn't stop earlier. So I think we're in the clear. Sorry, I can't type right now. What's happening? What did I break? You could use fmod. Use it how? I saw that the modulo was broken recently. Fmod ran integer spawn size. Let's try that. Oh. Okay, hold up. Okay, so the issue is it's not getting my spawns anymore. Oh, I don't need any of that print T. I'm glad that the output's back. I wonder if I was just accidentally opening it with alpha. Okay, is spawns not getting detected anymore? No, I don't need elapsed time, but it's not super relevant. Something wacky's happening. Well, let's see if other things are working. Okay, everything else in the game's working, but something with the spawning mechanism is not. Okay, that's cool. Hey, Quicks. Something's broken. Oh! Well, this would be one of them. Why am I doing that? Why was this ever working? Huh? What? Doi? Alright, hold on. Let's see if that print spawns. So that's gonna crash because of this, which is cool. I just need to do this first. How about that? How you like them apples? Why is there a Luigi up there? Because everything's broken right now. But it looks like spawns are coming in now. So... Oops. Percent? My bad. Why? Okay. Plus... This is something that I was doing earlier. Because it's... Wait, I didn't even try that. Test will only be ready after all its children. Is pick random point being called before test is ready? It is. It is. When did I put that in? Here, yeah, let's take that out. You're right. I need a way to kill myself. I need a button. Wait, let's see if multiplayer is working right now without debug. Because it looks like things are working now. I just have a different set of problems. Okay, so it's working without debug. Squish is working, and it looks like spawns are working. Okay, that time we're... Okay, Luigi's gone. He fell below the world. But that's fine. Yeah, so it, pick random point is being called before test is ready. It looks like that was the case. Sweet, thank you. That was a good call. So let's put a bunch of spawns. Maybe I don't need this +1 anymore. I don't know, I'm gonna keep it. Well, it looks like everything was just fixed in a second. Currently programming your own 2D game into your... Nice. Alright. We don't need Luigi anymore. But we do need to test multiplayer. What kind of game are you making? Didn't I just pick up a... Power-ups aren't working anymore. Why can't things just work? How were things working earlier? I fix one unrelated thing and everything else just breaks. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Remember that brief moment in time that I thought that everything was working except for the stomp? I remember, but the memory is fading very fast. I forgot to export with debug. Oh my god. Getting a little frustrated, I might stop soon. But, if this, then I'm gonna keep going. If not, I'm gonna figure it out and then probably stop. See, he has it. He has a fireball. They both got wait, it's working now. It's lagging a lot, but that was expected. What the hell? Watch, and I'm gonna export it without debug, And it's not gonna work. For no discernible reason. Why? I'm pressing it. Try exploring the... Okay. No, that wasn't it. Are they working in single player? Okay, power-ups are just completely broken when the debugger is disabled. You explored the with debug just done. Okay, export all, release. Actually, no, I don't want to do that. Whatever. Are they gonna be here? I don't know where those even saved, so let me just export project. See, when I do export project, it's supposed to also do the pack file again. But export with debug, no. I'll do it just to be sure. Debug, no. I love Godot, but sometimes I have to fight it so hard. Yep, no power-ups. Why is it only when debug is enabled? At least multiplayer is working, but I don't know why these wouldn't work. These item boxes, like, I implemented them so easily and so I assumed perfectly. And it's gone. The item boxes killed Mario. The new loot crates. Yeah, I've had issues with exporting before, but it was usually just exporting not working, not exporting only working if debug is enabled. Try deleting it and trying again, yeah. Without debug. Okay. See, because it makes the pack file. Nope. Nada. Okay. I'm looking at this is pretty cool. Is it gonna be like some sort of roguelite? Because that's the feel that I'm getting off of this right now. Sweet. Let's just do this. Let's just start changing settings. It's not that. Normally wanted to do turn-based roguelikes, but I figured I'd try something in real time. Neat. That's cool. I wouldn't even know how to make a turn-based roguelike. Ah, this is very frustrating. If I set... If I start with a power up, will this give me a different outcome? Perhaps. Because it started with a power up before. So maybe it just needs to do it here. Nope. Is it the fact that I have a match statement? Is it that? Let's just create the fireball when run is pressed. Will that appease you, Mario? Will this be enough for you? This is exactly how we did it. It did work. Yes. Okay. That's a start. Now, let's get rid of this. I wonder if the export template without tools is an older version? What do you mean by that? Hold up. I think I just figured something out. If current power up equals fireball, if it's just something dumb like, ooh, match statements get a break when you're using, when you don't have debug enabled, then that's a cool, I'm cool with that. I will use if statements. That's totally fine. Okay, okay, okay. Hammer. Export. And let's try this multiplayer. Yeah, I will if that stuff up. Did match statements just break my game? Okay. Okay, fireball's working here. Hammers are working here. Alright, perfect. He's still keeping fireballs, but that's just because I broke something a second ago. Okay, it's fixed. Oh. Praise the Lord. Thought this was gonna kill my project right here. Having to open it with a debug would be enough to annoy me and not want to release anything. I mean, I don't even know how I'm gonna release this. I might not. I mean, I will release this in some form, but it'll be less Mario-y, I think. But it's working. Oh. I have a hammer. Mario currently has a fireball, but if I throw the hammer, and then, yep, no longer has it. Luigi currently has a hammer. If I throw the hammer at him, hammers are hard to aim. No longer has it. Alright, this is where I wanted to be like a half hour ago. Maybe longer. Itch.io, my dude. What do you mean, releasing it or like finding art or something? Because that's the big problem. I mean, someone did just offer to draw art, and I think the person who's my partner with the Terror Labyrinth game, he hasn't been online for a little bit, but I think he'd be happy to make art for this. Releasing, yeah, I'll put it on itch. Once I figure out the specifics, I'd be happy to put a version like this on itch. I mean, what I'd really like to do is make like dedicated servers and stuff, and people be able to just hop on, fight some randoms, and go back. But I don't know how to do like anti-cheat or any of that, so it would just be like the whole hosting and then sending your IP address and all that, blah blah blah. I'd also like to implement split screen of some form. That'd be neat. I think split screen would be easy, actually. I just had to add extra controls and make a separate function that uses those controls instead of the current controls, blah blah blah. I'm just so happy right now. I'm just running around and it's working. Oh my god, it's crazy. Does anyone want to test this with me real quick? Test it online, I mean. Oh, you wanna? Sweet. Just DM me on Discord what platform you're using and then I'll send it to you. In fact, let me just make it easy for myself. And how do I here, let me, I can't export all anymore? Hello? Okay, whatever. I'll just put these all in here. Oh, you could only export from Mac on Mac? I thought I exported from Mac on Windows before. That must be new. That sucks. Okay. 1 second. Alright, and I will use the same one I just sent to you. Wait, uploads, Mario. What are the controls? It's Z is jump, X is run, and power-ups and all that. Alright. I'm waiting. Two broken hearts. Oh, sweet. Okay. Sweet. Alright, so hammers are really good. Oh, that's not good. Alright, that'll be fixed once I do better respawning. Shit. Oh wait. Oh no. Yeah, it's kind of janky, but it's working. This is kind of fun. Oh god. Respawning needs the most work, I think. Oh. And sometimes I stomp and it don't work. So stomping seems like a decent counter to fireballs. Hammers are just good in general, but they're hard to hit. Oh, damn it. See, I stepped on him. Shouldn't be pointing out how buggy my own game is. Alright, yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop in a second. Next one wins. Alright, you win. Sweet. Cool. How was the lag? Was it like... I'm not sure how the lag works at all. Like, if it would be just super jittery for you or something. I don't know. I need to implement ping and stuff, all that. You didn't notice? Sweet. What I could probably attribute to lag is the fact that sometimes I'll stomp on you. Maybe it was happening to you too, but stomping on me or throwing a fireball at me and then it not doing anything. That's probably just, that's the main issue between the connection. But yeah, it seems to be working. How long have I been streaming? I've got more energy in me, but I'm not really sure what I want to do right now, you know? Whoa, I just looked at my dashboard. I'm almost at 2,000 subs. That's exciting. Ooh, I streamed for 3 hours already. This was longer than yesterday's. Yeah, I think that's what I got for tonight. I'm gonna try to sleep now. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Thank you for helping me test Leonard. I don't know when I'm gonna stream next. Probably sometime this week. Maybe Monday, maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday, and most likely, if not either of those 2 days, then definitely this weekend. I want to get back in the habit of streaming because I did a lot before and it was really fun, and then I just haven't. But yeah, I like these streams too because there's a little bit of interaction by playing online. But yeah, thank you all for coming. I'm gonna go now. See y'all.